lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Hi lovelies, thank you for being here and thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you're having a great day or you're having a great night while watching this video. And for today, it's a collaboration saving challenges. And I missed this video last week, so for today, I will double the amount. Instead of saving $50 for the collaboration saving challenges, I will save today $100, and it's in here. And 30 of this will save on our Lovely's 1K, 2K subscribers collab. And part of this collab are, let me just, okay, the host of this collab is Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey. And part of this collab are Lily of EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Odette of Odette Budgeting Life, Sin of Sin on a Budget, Jess of Tobin Budgets, Terry of It's Not Too Late Terry, Miss Pam of Giving Grandma Budgets, Christy of CW Does Life, Patty of Coca Cabana Budgets, Pat of Oma's Low Income Journey, and me, Lovely Budgets _ HK. So if you haven't subscribed on this channel yet, please go on their individual channel, click the subscribe button, watch at least 5 minutes or 8 minutes of what their videos, one or two videos, and so that your subscribe being will not be invalid. They have a great channel. You can learn and inspired on their channels. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go on their individual channels, as well as go to the individual coffee shop to get the monthly saving challenges, which is part of this collab. Okay, so we're on our road to 1K, and some of us were road on 2K subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe first, and thank you. We stopped it in here last time, and there's a, so I will roll 6-sided dice to navigate this board, and let's see how many icons we will complete today. So let's start. And for this, I'm saving $30, and let me just move this this $30 in this here first, and then let's start. So let me just roll the dice. So it's 5. We finish it here. So let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll d6. So save $4. 4. And then let's roll the dice. And let me cross this. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 2 spaces. Let me take out this. 1, 2. So this the sun icon, which is already saved $3 last time. So we save here. So let's complete this, and let me cross this out and save $3. Hold on. And let's roll the dice. Move 1, so d6. Let's roll d6. So, oh, it's a big number. So we save here 6, 5, and 1. Let's take out this. Let's roll the dice. So 1, go back to start. So go back to start. 3, 1, 2, 3. This balloon. Let's save here $6. Let's cross this out. 6, 2, 4, 6. And let's roll the dice. So 2, 1, 2, D4. Hold on, I have D4 here. Let me guess this, change it. Okay, D4, so 3. Let's say here $3. 2 and 3. Now let's roll the dice. 3, 1, 2, 3. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So this pair works. So let's say here $6. 2, 4, 6. So let's $2 left for $30 saving. Let's roll the dice. 4, 1. Oh, this is done. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th of July. So we only have $2. So let's save $2. Okay. Alright, so we saved $30, and let me get this and put $30 in the envelope. Alright, hang on. I put it in this envelope so that I know how much I will save for the month of July. Alright, so far what we save in month of July is 36, but the total amount we save from January to June is 470, which is still in here. I think it's, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 470. If I completed this challenge, I will put the money together in here. Alright, so next collab is Disney collab. So let's put it aside. So for Disney collab, I'll put all the names on the description box. I'm not part of this collab, but I want to save with them, and the money that I will save here will be used for our Disneyland visit next year. So I just started early because going to Disneyland is very expensive. It's around, if high season or special holidays, it's around $800 Hong Kong dollars per person, which is how much in US? Hold on. Divide 7.8. So it's around 100, let's say $103 US dollars. That is very expensive, and that is without the transportation and without the food. It's only the ticket. So that's why we need a long time to save for the Disneyland. Alright, so the host of this collab is Step on a Budget, Weekly Budgets, and Budget with Lysandra. So let's start the July one. And it's featuring Stitch, Lilo and Stitch. Okay, so how much we're gonna save here? So it's, okay, let's use 3-sided dice. Alright, so 3, 1, 3. How much now? Let's save here maybe $20. 3 again. 3, no more. So 2 and 1. Let's save one more. 2. So how much now? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Okay, one more. 12, 14, 17. Okay, $17. Let's save here $17. And the other page is roll and save. So let's roll 3-sided dice again. So 1, I don't want this marker. Okay, 1, 3, 2, and 2. So we'll stop here. So now it's 5 and 5 plus 3, so 8. Let me change this. Hold on. So $28 in total. Let me change this one first. Okay, let me put back 20 here. So $28. Hold on. My money is flying. Okay. So 50 minus 28, it's 22, right? 50 minus 28, so it's 22. $22 change. Hey, $22 change. So this one is not part of this. Hold on. Okay. So let's put back here. And that's it. I will not count it. I'll count it at the end of July so that we know how much we save. So the next collab is the self-care collab. I'm not part of this collab as well, but I want to save for my self-care, for myself. And part of this collab are, let's see. So I started it last April and I saved here $40 for April, May $39. For June, not yet. I haven't finished it yet, but I'll finish it today. So part of this collab are creation by Monica, positive changes, describer, dragonfly saves, save with Rose, uncashes, budget like a girl, creation by Elvira, fantasy budgets, positive changes, another of positive changes, and Little Green Cottage, and Mom Life Co. So let's finish this. I think how much? 5, 6, 10, 12. All right, so 5, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, $12. Let's put $12 here and let's cross this out. And the total amount here, including June, for June, let me count. I'm not sure how much. I think it's 20. 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 is 37. Okay, let's see the total amount because I'm not sure if it's correct or not. Okay, so let's count. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 112, 14, 16, 116. Okay, let me guess. Okay, 116. If I calculated the total amount here, 116 minus 40 minus 39. Yeah, 37. I saved 37 today for the month of June. 37. All right. So for July, I don't have the challenge in for July, month of July. So I will use the August challenge, which is creation by Elvira. By the way, this one is created by Ann Cassius. So it's a sub-poly, and I will use it next week. So for now, let's just keep this and move along with other challenges. So for this one, it's not a collab. It is like scratch up saving challenge. So this is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. You can check her coffee shop if you want to grab this DIY scratch off. These two. Alright, so let's scratch here one to know which one we're gonna save. Hold on, let's roll the dice. So two, one, two, $4. Let's do one more. One, two, three. Another four, so $8 here. Let's save here $8. I hope there's a change. $8. Okay. So change of $2. And total amount here now is 36. Okay, let's change this into, alright. And let's move around along here. Okay. So for I owe you of 2. Okay, I owe you of 2. Okay, I owe you of 2 and take out the I owe you slip. And here we only have 2 challenges left. Let's see. Let me get the meter card here. Okay, so we just scratch this one out. Okay, so this is my creation and it's available on my coffee shop. If you're interested, it's a freebie and I call it let's drink to that. So for any occasion or any celebration, let's drink to that. Okay, so let's scratch this out. Six, and get the card, flip it. Free drink, save any amount. So 6, so I'll just stick with 6. I will not save any other amount. So 6, and the other one, 2. So total of 8 for now. And let's flip the card. Free shot, add 3. So 5 and 6 is 11. Alright, so this, I think this finish. I completed this. So 11, yay. So change of $9. So we don't have $9. What we're going to do? Okay, let's change this. So prop money here. And okay, sorry about that. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. How much? $11, right? Okay, so change of $9. So I need to change of $9. Alright, so the total amount now here, the total amount I save here, alright, let's count. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! 100. Yay, yay, yay. So excited. 110, 104. So 104. And the money, so the saved money here will go to our holiday and festivities on our sinking fund. Let me write down how much I saved. 114, sorry, 114. 114. I will reallocate it later together with the other completed saving challenges. And for that, let's drink to that. Let's ring the bell. All right. So one challenge done. And we have here how much left? $9. So let's move along with this one. So for this one of Miss Judy of Save with Judy, so the money that I will save here, I will move it to my month ahead binder groceries. so that I can complete it. I'm trying to complete that this year. And after I completed that, I will move to month ahead rent. Okay, so here I haven't saved $5 yet. So Miss Judy is saving the full amount, $14. But me, I will add to the two-digit number and I will save that amount. So this one, I'll save here $5. All right, $5. And let's see how much we save. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 86. Yay! 86 moving to our month ahead groceries. A little bit goes a long way. Even though I didn't save the same amount as what they're saving, but still I saved $86 for 3 months. Yeah, it's a big help. And for the new one, July, Miss Judy rolled here 14, and the other gnome is 13. So I will not save now. I will save it next week. And for Kimmy's, this is reuse. I reuse the paper. So for Kimmy's, I'm still on Kimmy's group play. I'm still behind. So this all $4 I'll save in here. I haven't finished it yet. So 1 and 3. The total amount here is $20 each month, but I cannot save much of it. But so far we have here 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. So $17. Let me change this into 5. So $3 more and this is complete. Alright, so this is the prop money. The prop bank is in here. Alright, that's it for today, lovelies. That's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. See ya. Have a nice day. Bye.